What is that, Jacob?
Mommy.
Doggy. What's the doggy say? Jacob.
Mommy.
Jacob.
Mommy.
What's the doggy say?
It says woof woof. It says woof woof. Mommy, the doggy says woof woof.
That's right. Jacob.
Mikey says wooey.
Jacob. Jacob. Yeah, is that the dog? What's the doggy say? Chloe.
Sit.
Jacob. Here she comes. Can he try a little bite? He doesn't slobber.
No, no, no.
Throw it, throw it, throw it.
Sorry, dude, but I like my own fork.
Is that doggy?
No.
Jacob. Oh, you ruined my video for the making the doggy sounds. You just had to bring food in here. Chloe did it. Holy cow, what do you think he is? Well, that should be enough. Is that good? All gone. Jacob, all gone. Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? It's like, there's more food in there. I'm not stupid.
Let's go, buddy.
Where's the doggy? Get her. Is that the doggy? Give her a hug. Aww. Give her a hug. Are you going to sit on the doggy? Is that funny? He's gonna run. Where'd she go? Here she comes. What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say? No, that's a kitty. Meow. He found you. You got food.
No.
Yeah, just get the food in the kitchen where it belongs. I have it on video, evidence that you were eating in the living room.
Oh,
Jacob! Chloe, sit. Sit. Good girl. Shake. Well, thank you. Now what? Am I just going to hold your paw? You ready? You ready? Where'd the doggy go? Doggy. What's the doggy say? What's the tiger say? Rawr. Come here, Chloe. Chloe, come. What's Jacob got? Oh, the do that. Ready? Ready? Give it. It's a toy. Jacob, give it to the doggy. Give it to Chloe.
Chloe.
What? Is that the doggy? Oh, you heard the gate. Could be another food source coming. Bye, Jacob.
Bye.
Bye.